Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me. It's called Fidelity, and its investment, commonly known as Fidelity, is a well-established financial services company and brokerage firm. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Fidelity or fidelity.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And here are some results I got after my search on Google. I have the official site and the page on Twitter, and also I have this website over here is also for Fidelity, but this is here as the official one. And I have the definition on Wikipedia, and also this one here, the similar websites. We need the official one, that means the first one, Fidelity Investment, Retirement Plans, Investing and Brokerage. We need to click over it. So this is here with me, like you see, the interface of the page, of the website, excuse me, or the home page. Now, if you are a resident out of the United States, you need to complete to the international options. If you are a resident of the USA, you need just to accept to continue to fidelity.com. We need to click on accept. So this is the home page, where you can find the key features and how to create an account or open it, and some plans over here, the planning and advice, straightforward present and robust investment tools. You can find everything here, some prizes. TD Ameritrade. We talk about this website later. You can just check my channel to see this website is also wonderful for the trading, and swap and e-trade are very these three are very popular on this domain. So we will come back to this page later after I show you how to create an account to get started and continue working on the website Fidelity. So first thing, we need to open an account. That means click on the orange button. We have this three parts here: the retirement ERIS, and investing and trading, and spending and saving. So for the rollover ERI and the Roth ERI and the traditional ERI are in the section of retirement areas. So you need just to click on someone on it. Or for the brokerage account, it's in the selection of, or the section of investing and trading. And for the cash management account and for spending and saving, we need first to create account. We need to choose one from these five over here. Okay, this is independent to you. I will choose the first one, the rollover ERI. So we have this question here, like first step to creating an account. They ask us if are we already a Fidelity customer. If this is with yes, you need just to click on yes. If this is wrong, you need just to click on no. I will click on no because this is the first time for me on this website. And we have here some information that you need to read. Let's click on next. So the next step is to answer some question over here and some information we need to give them, like the full name. You need just to write over here, and the middle name if you have it. Okay, the first name was here, the middle name I don't have it, the last name is the Brian. For the social security number, you need just to write it over here. It's not real, okay? just some information like that. But if you are creating a real account, you need to enter a valuable information and correct, because they will check out your information later. Okay, to continue using this website, you need to correct all your information by the numbers, names, and addresses, email address, everything. So we have here the date of birth. You need just to select the month, the day, and the year. And for the country of citizenship, you need just to select the country from here. There are a lot of countries, you'll find your country. And for the mobile number, and for the email, you need just to enter your correct email. And for where do you live, we need to answer for the address line 1. It's obligatory. Okay, and we have some localizations over here. You need just select one, but it should be correct. For the address line 2 is optional. If you have one, you can do it and it's good. If you don't have one, you can just skip the step. And for the city, we already choose one, because this one here is in this city and this state. And for the zip code, and let's click on next. And you can register all your information, or just click on no. Okay, I will just do that. For the next step, that how do you make a living? Okay, that mean what's your work and all of that. We have this question here: are you employed? If that was yes, you need to select in what and where, or what kind of employed that you are. Are you just employed, or self-employed, or not employed, or retired, or employed by Fidelity Investments? Okay, I'm not, so I will click on this one. And for the securities industry regulation, we have these are uncommon situation, but we have to ask: are you or you immediate family members employed by a financial situation, or a director, official, or 10% shareholder of a publicly help company? If that was yes, so you need to click on some apply. If that was no, you need to click on non apply. Okay, let's click on next right now. For the next step, we have to answer this information here, that take a moment to review and confirm your information. We need to confirm it. So that's why I tell you before that the information that you enter, it should be correct and valuable. Okay, that was for this step over here. The information that I enter is not correct. It's all of it are wrong. So I don't think that the review and the confirm will just complete. For the account details are these, so it's all wrong informations. So let's open accounts over here. You need to check your information. Okay, I didn't, because I know that they are not real. So like I tell you before, the checker my information was wrong because it's not correct, but I show you the different information that you need to answer. So now this is how to create accounts successfully. So please, if you understand me, subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.